It's not good, but we have seen results. What do you have to tell such people?
Those people who say UPDF's involvement in foreign missions is not good don't understand the importance of liberation of other African countries.
The Chief of Defense Forces happened to get some time to pass
Among the pillars of NRM ideology is Pan-Africanism. And Pan-Africanism means the unity of Africa. And the unity of Africa is for strategic reasons, including creating a market, a larger market for our own products. If Somalia is free, is liberated, we can sell there what we produce here. And that is true for all other countries. So we cannot say that you support Pan-Africanism, but then you cannot send your army to help in the liberation of other countries. Uganda was a failed state. UPDF, NRA, UPDF liberated it. Now we are a strong, united country. We need the other African countries also to be free. So the performance, the participation of Africa, of UPDF in African liberation or stability is very strategic. You're welcome.